Okay, this was Friday's homework. You need to reflect the shape over the x-axis and label it joy. Okay, let's reflect first the M over the x-axis. Here, that becomes a J. The O, the A, reflect it, the over here becomes the O. And then D, reflect it, over here becomes a Y. Are you playing with your game, son? I need to have your dad. I need to have your dad take it out of your room. There we go. Find the length of each one. Let's do MA first. MA is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. MA equals to 6. And AD is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 also. And MD equals 2. You don't know unless you do a squared plus b squared equals to c squared. That gives you 6 squared plus 6 squared equals to c squared. 36 plus 36 equals to c squared. And then you get the square root of 72. We'll just leave this the square root of 72. I'm not using a calculator. If you want to use a calculator, you can. But I'm saving time. Let's leave it in square root form. Okay, the other side, MA is the same as JO, which is equal to 6. And AD, which is OY, equals to 6 also. Same thing, right? And MA is JY equals to square root of 72. Write congruent sides. It's asking for congruent sides. Okay, MA is congruent to JO. AD is congruent to OY. MD is congruent to JY. So write a congruent statement. You put triangle. MAD is congruent to triangle joy. Okay? Next one. Counterclockwise, rotate 90 degrees. Okay, H, 90 degrees clockwise would go to here. Okay. That's 0, that's 90, 180, and 270. Okay, so 90 is over there. So the numbers change. Okay, so H is 6, negative 1. So H will become 1, negative 1, 6. You switch it. Negative 1, 6. And that is the letter R. And then A is 6, negative 7. So here it's negative 7, 6. So that's negative 7, 6, a negative 6 actually. That's a negative 6 also. And then T, that is, T is 3, negative 7. So it becomes negative 7, negative 3 here. like that. Okay? And find the length of each one. They're both congruent. We can say triangle hat is congruent to triangle run. Alright, so HA is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. HA is 6. And TA is 1, 2, 3. TA is 3. So same thing as the other one. R RU. This is U and N here. RU is equal to 6 and UN equals to 3. And we need to find HT and then which is RU. And that you can only do A squared plus B squared equals to C. 6 squared plus 3 squared equals to C squared. 36 plus 9. C squared, 45. We don't know the answer to. We need to use this a calculator, but we're not. Just leave it square root. HA is congruent to RU, and TA is congruent to, you see by both 3, congruent to UN, and the last one, if you can see, HT is equal to, and that is both 45 square root. HT is congruent to RU, 180 degrees, 180 degrees, the number stays the same. So 0, 90, 180. So it's all going to be here. Uh-oh, can't delete the square. Alright, so right here, 10 will become RAM. T is -7, 2. Be 7, 2. Same thing. 7, -2. And that's R. A is, this is -7, 6. So -7, -6. A, -7, +7, -6. Okay. N is 2, -2, 6. So 2, -6. Same order, 2, 6 as you see. 2, 6, only for 180, okay? Connect. That's an M. Okay, and then write the coordinates for all. We did that on the graph. Okay, so we can say TE is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 is 4. EN is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. And then NT, we need to do square root. So that's the same as TE, that's RA equals to 4. AM is equal to 6. And then MR equals 2, we do A squared plus B squared equals C squared. 4 squared plus 6 squared equals to C squared. 16. 36 equals to C squared. 52 equals to C square root. Okay, so that's 52. So we can say that TE is congruent to RA. They're both 4 if you can see. And then NE is congruent to AM, which both are 6. Okay. And then NT is congruent to MR, which they're both square root of 52. And we can say that triangle 10 is congruent to triangle RAM. Okay? And then the other side of your homework is a worksheet, and I don't have a copy of it. So this is it.